Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to All About AI Tech, your one-stop source for all things in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to my heart and my floors. That's right, we're talking about robot vacuums, specifically, the ones that are absolute champions at tackling pet hair. Now, if you're a pet owner, you know the struggle is real. It feels like you're constantly battling a never-ending tide of fur. But fear no more, my friends. The right robot vacuum can be an absolute game-changer. We're not talking about those flimsy, first-gen robots that would get stuck under the couch. We're talking about smart, powerful machines with cutting-edge technology to make your life easier and cleaner. First up, let's talk Titans. In this corner, we've got the reigning champ, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. This thing is packed with features like object recognition to avoid those pesky pet presents. Yes, you heard me right. No more robot-assisted smear campaigns across your beautiful floors. And in the other corner, we've got the challenger, the mighty Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. This one's bringing out the big guns with its self-washing mopping system. It's like having a tiny cleaning crew living under your roof. But hey, not all of us need all the bells and whistles or want to shell out a fortune for a robot cleaner, right? If you're looking for incredible value for your money, let me introduce you to the Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 11 Max. This little guy is a beast when it comes to suction power, and it sneaks under furniture like a pro, all without making a racket. Plus, it's super budget-friendly. Talk about a win-win. Let's be real, folks. The true test of any robot vacuum worth its salt is how well it handles pet hair. And let me tell you, some of these machines are like fur-munching monsters. We're talking about serious suction power combined with specially designed brushes that grab onto those stubborn hairs embedded deep within your carpets. Say goodbye to endless lint-rolling sessions, my friends. Now, I'm all about real-world results, which is why I dig deep into the data. When we put these robot vacuums through their paces in our lab tests, we're talking about measuring how much dirt, dust, and yes, even pet hair, they pick up across different floor types. And let me tell you, the numbers don't lie. Some of these machines consistently score in the high 90s when it comes to picking up fine debris. That's cleaner than clean people. But cleaning power is only half the battle, right? You need a robot vacuum that can navigate your home like a pro, dodging obstacles and avoiding staircases with grace. And trust me, the technology has come a long way. We're talking about advanced sensors, LiDAR mapping, and even object recognition to prevent your robot from becoming a bull in a china shop. Some of these vacuums can even remember your floor plan and create customized cleaning routes. It's like having a tiny robotic butler at your beck and call. Now, let's talk convenience, shall we? One of the biggest advancements in the robot vacuum world is the advent of self-emptying dustbins. Imagine this. Your robot vacuum finishes cleaning, zips back to its base, and automatically empties all that dirt and grime into a sealed bag that you only need to replace every month or so. That's next-level laziness, in the best way possible. Of course, this feature often comes with a higher price tag, so it's all about weighing your priorities. But wait, there's more. Many modern robot vacuums come with their own smartphone apps, so you can control your cleaning experience with a tap of your finger. We're talking about setting cleaning schedules, creating virtual boundaries to keep your vacuum out of certain areas, and even targeting specific spots for a quick cleanup, all from your phone. It's like having a remote control for your dust bunnies. Look, at the end of the day, the beauty of a robot vacuum lies in its convenience. You can set it and forget it, allowing it to work its magic while you focus on more important things, like finally finishing that book you started ages ago. Plus, imagine the look on your friends' faces when they visit and your floors are sparkling clean, even with a furry friend roaming around. They'll think you hired a full-time cleaning crew. Now, I know what you're thinking. With so many options, how do you choose the right robot vacuum for your needs? Well, my friends, that's where I come in. When making your decision, consider your budget, the types of floors you have, how much pet hair you deal with, and any specific features that are important to you. Do you need object recognition? Is self-emptying a must-have? Once you have a clear idea of your priorities, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect cleaning companion. Play a montage of funny robot vacuum bloopers. Robots bumping into objects, getting tangled in cords, or having other unexpected encounters. And because no tech review is complete without a little entertainment, I thought I'd share some behind-the-scenes moments from our robot vacuum testing. Let's just say, these little guys don't always behave as expected. Switch back to the host. As always, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for spending some time with me today. Your support truly means the world, and I'm committed to bringing you the best tech content out there. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech reviews, and leave a comment down below letting me know which robot vacuum you're eyeing, or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible world of AI.